have an appointment with Dr. Bigtail, so come out and get ready.
No and no.
But Tip, you have a cold and a sore throat. You need to go to the doctor so he can tell us how to get rid of this nagging pain.
No! Doctors are mean and they give you shots with giant needles.
What are you saying, Tip? It's Dr. Bigtail, Billy's father. You know him very well, and he has given you checkups many times. Don't you remember?
But the other times it was different. He just told me how I was growing up. Now I'm sure he's going to give me some horrible syrup. And if I don't want to take it, he's going to force me and pinch my nose shut with a giant pin. We are not going to the doctors. No and no.
Tip, Dr. Bigtail will be nice as always. I guarantee it. Do you trust Mommy?
Yes, but we don't have the cold anymore. Look, the cold is up. Achoo!
See? Your cold isn't over yet.
That wasn't me sneezing. It was Teddy.
Come on, come on. The express train is leaving. No more stops. Choo-choo!
Choo-choo.
School masquerade party tonight.
I'm going to be a princess. I'm a firefighter.
A firefighter? Great! What about you, Billy?
I'm dressing up as a doctor.
I could have guessed.
I'm going to be a magician.
I'm going as a clown.
Very good, pups. Now you can go home and put the finishing touches on your costumes. Have fun, and I'll see you this evening.
It's great that you're coming over to my house to finish your costume.
I've got it here. Let's go.
I'm finished. Tip, now I'm going to try on the whole costume and you can tell me how I look, okay?
Okay, then I'll show you mine.
Ta-da! I'm Jody the Clown. Do you like my costume?
It's cool.
All right. Now it's your turn. Show me yours.
Huh?
Nothing here. Nothing here. I'm happy to announce that there are no monsters in this room. Not even a little one, because they don't exist. Do you feel better now? I mean, does Teddy feel better now?
Yes. Thank you, Grandpa.
You're welcome. Good night.
I told you that monsters don't exist. Grandpa, there aren't any monsters in the room, but there are outside.
Oh? Come with me, Tip.
But Grandpa, I don't want to go back to bed.
That's not where we're going.
You're not? Well, then where are you going?
We're going to make friends with the dark.
I'm so hungry.
Just look at how big and beautiful you've grown. Tip just adores carrots, but I'm sure he doesn't even know they're vegetables. Let's see. Bright orange and ripe. This carrot is just right for picking.
Carrots are good. They're our favorite, Teddy. Grandma, can I have a carrot, please?
A carrot? Oh, no.
Why not?
Because, sweetheart, you don't like vegetables, and carrots are vegetables.
What do you mean? Carrots are good.
Of course, many vegetables are. This tomato, for example. It smells delicious.
That's not true.
Unfortunately, you'll never know.
You don't scare me, Storm. Come here and I'll show you. Stay step up here if you have the guts. Take that and that.
Bravo, Tip! You've played enough for tonight, little pups. It's time to go to sleep. Good night. Sweet dreams.
Good night.
Tip? Jody?
Jody, Billy's calling you.
No, he's calling you. Tip? Jody? Are you awake? Did you hear him? He's calling you.
But I can't go to him. I'm cold. You go.
I can't go. I'm sleeping.
But, Jody, it's not true that I'm not afraid of anything. I'm really scared of this storm.
I'm scared too, Tip. A lot.
Tip, I can't concentrate with all that noise.
Can I work like you?
Of course. Why didn't I think of that before? Here, now you can make a design just like me.
Yay! I know. Finished. Now I need to build it. Look, Daddy! It's flying! It's flying! I made the design of an airplane, and then I built it, just like you do with your houses.
Bravo, Tip. But where did you get the paper to build it?
Those papers were already used and full of scribbles.
What? I need that.
Oh, no.
Ah! Tip, I told you not to touch anything.
Oh, gosh. Now I'm really in trouble. Wait here and don't touch anything. Wait, Daddy!
Do you want to know what I do when I make a mess? I run and hide.
You run?
Is everything okay up there?
Yes, Mom. Yes, everything's okay.
It's going to get dark.
Come on, let's hurry. Teddy needs me. He's afraid of the dark. It looks like the tree monster, but that was just from the book. But we better hurry up.
Tip and Betty? What are they doing here alone?
Huh?
The next patient, please. Wait a minute. Who do we have here? A teddy bear? That means I have two patients. Very well. Come this way, please. Say ah.
Ah.
Very good. And now it's your turn, teddy bear. What's your name?
His name is Teddy, but he's a little bit frightened.
Oh, no, Teddy. You have nothing to worry about. It just might tickle a bit. Uh-oh. Oh, my goodness. Very good. Mrs. Mouse and Teddy, you have behaved very well. As a reward, you deserve a nice strawberry lollipop. Here's one for you, and one...
Don't worry, Tip. There is a solution to every issue. Come with me. Are you sure you don't want to go to the party?
No, I do want to go. My costume is ugly, and I can't make one nice like Jody's.
Good. Then I can show you how to make a beautiful costume.
With glue?
No, your imagination.
How?
Come, lie down next to me. You see, Tip, imagination is everything you can dream up. For example, what do you see in the sky?
Clouds?
Really? Because I see a dragon.
I just see a cloud.
Use your imagination.
It's true. And look over there, a ball, and a tree, and that one looks like Betty. And there's Tippy's pacifier.
Very good, Tip. You have a lot of imagination.
Owls are birds with huge, bright, but friendly eyes. Because of those eyes, they can see very well at night, the time when they're active.
There she is. Grandpa, look. Her eyes look like little mandarin oranges. I saw one. I saw another falling star.
Good for you. So, Tip, tell me, how does the dark seem to you now?
Oh, beautiful.
What do you say we go back inside and you get into your nice soft bed?
Yes, I think Teddy must be very tired. Grandpa, are you really sure that monsters don't exist?
What's frightening you is the shadow from those branches, see? The shadows on the wall are made the same way your shadow is made. And the wind makes them move, just like the tuft of fur on your head.
It's true! Didn't pay attention to Jody's robot, and now I made a mess. It's all ruined, and Jody will be very upset about that.
It's good that you recognized it by yourself.
Maybe if you apologize, he won't get angry. But I want to give him the robot as it was before. I have to fix it.
Good little mouse. Well told.
So, what can I do now? I don't know how to. Daddy! Can you fix it, Daddy?
Sure, Tip. There's no real damage. A bit of oil in the joints, a polish, and the robot will be good as new.
Be careful that you don't break it, Daddy. It's Jody's robot, and you must take good care of other people's things.
Oh, yes. You're perfectly right.
I was worried about lending it to you, but you're a really good friend, Tip. Wait, but I have to tell you something. I'm sorry. I left your robot out in the rain and it got all stiff, so my father had to fix it and... But I told you to take care of it. It's okay. You fixed it. And now it works even better than before. But next time, be more careful. Next time? Grandma, it's true. It's so good.
I know, my dear. Vegetables taste very good, and they're also very healthy. That's why your grandfather and I planted this vegetable patch, and we cultivate it with love.
You cultivate it? What does that mean?
Well, you see, in the beginning, vegetables start out as seeds, like this.
Oh.
Each spring, we dig little holes in the ground and put these seeds in them. We cover them and water them. Thanks to the water, the sun, and the nourishment in the earth, the seeds sprout into seedlings. In the beginning, there's just a stem. But slowly the plant grows, branches out, and makes leaves. In the end, when the time is right, vegetables start growing too. They become exactly what we have here.
Tip, Jody, didn't you hear me calling you? You promised to defend me.
I'm sorry, Billy, but Jody and I are scared too.
We're all scared, so do like I always do and let's all sing together. I sing this song when I have fear and all my worries disappear.
I sing this song when I have fear and all my worries disappear. And all my worries disappear.
Do you think we should go check on them?
If they're singing, I think that means they're fine.
I'm not scared anymore.
Me neither.
Yeah, I feel like laughing.
And me too.
Okay, here we go. Sing along. This time we're not going to be afraid at all.
I'll get it down, Daddy. Lift me up on your shoulders.
Ah, of course. Good idea.
Oh,
Careful there.
I did it! I did it!
Bravo, Tip. You were a big help.
Dad, this was fun, but I didn't really enjoy working with you so much. It's a bit boring. I really prefer going with Mom.
I understand, my little mouse.
Great job. But guys, with that wind and the fast biking, your tufts don't look good at all.
Yippee! You can't use this, Tippy. It's for big people. It looks like a toy, but it isn't.
I'd say he's learned the lesson.
I think so, too.
Can you bring us back home?
Okay, then you can explain all this to me. But now calm down. Everything is fine. Albert is here with you.
We were very worried about you.
I'm sorry, Mommy. I just wanted to find Teddy, and Betty went with me, and it...
This time you've crossed the line. We wanted to come back immediately, but then...
We thought we saw the monster from the book!
Yes, they confused me with a monster and got really scared.
If you'd have listened to me instead of disobeying, Teddy wouldn't have had to wait for you.
Teddy? Teddy! Teddy! Teddy, I've missed you! Where have you been?
While you were out, Mr. Paco brought him back for you.
Did he bring the book? But why can't anyone play with us today? Gee, what can we play now? Huh? Did you hear that? Let's go see! Huh? Who are you? You're fun! You want to play, don't you?
It's almost time for dinner.
Bye. I have to go now. Aren't you going home? Uh-oh. Maybe you don't have a home. Maybe you can come home with us. I'll call you Billow.
Hi, Tip. It certainly took you a while. Who in the world is that?
His name is Billow. Can we keep him?
I don't think this is a good idea.
Hi, everybody. Who is this little fellow?
His name is Billow. Teddy and I found him. Can we keep him?
Is your mother okay with that?
Come on, Mommy. Can we keep him?
Tip, come here a moment.
We have a surprise for you.
Huh? Wow! The harmonica that I liked so much! Thank you! Thank you!
I think our gift is a success.
Are you surprised? Music runs in our blood in this family.
What a pity. It's beginning to rain.
Tip, it's best we go inside now, or we'll get wet.
I'm coming!
Oh no! This thing has been left out in the rain! It'll get ruined! What a shame! It looks so nice!
Doesn't look so nice to me.
You see, now you've offended him!
Time is Teacher Maggie's birthday party? Mommy said that we have to wait until dinner time. But we need to give her a gift.
That's true.
Let's give her a tricycle. I think a soccer ball is nicer.
Or maybe a first aid kit. That's always useful.
Perhaps you should think of what the teacher likes instead of what you like.
Right. But it's hard to think of a gift for the teacher.
We need Betty and Tessa. They are very good at finding gifts. Why aren't they here?
They went to their music lesson at Nina and Lena's.
You're really good. Keep on going. Hello? Hi, Tip. No, they can't come to the phone. Tessa and Betty are practicing. Can you hear them?
Mommy, I know what we can give to Teacher Maggie. We can offer her a concert.
That's a nice idea, but...
Aunt Lena, please tell Betty and Tessa that we need them for a concert. We want to give one for our teacher's birthday. Bye.
There, I won again.
Good for you.
Let's play another hand.
Okay, but I think we should put Tip and Tippy to bed first.
Mom's right. It's late. Time for bed, little ones.
No and no. Teddy and I want to stay up.
You and Teddy need to go to bed so you'll feel rested in the morning.
That way, you'll be full of energy to play with your friends at kindergarten tomorrow.
I'm not going to bed, and that's that.
You know what, Grandma? I'd like to go home and go to bed, too.
I'll bring Grandma and Grandpa home. I'll be right back. And you go to bed, okay?
No!
Good night, pups.
Good night.
Tip, are you sure you're not tired? You're going to get bored staying up all alone.
Very, very, very sure. I am not tired at all.
Darling!
Oh, thank you, dear. We'll see you later.
Have fun!
Why isn't Dad coming?
It's too bad, but Dad has to work today.
But today is Midsummer holiday, the best holiday of the year.
I know, Tip, but I really need to go into the office. I have to finish the plan of a house.
Oh, pooh.
Come. You'll see. We'll have a wonderful picnic.
It's not fair.
You know know, Tip, Daddy was looking forward to coming. Unfortunately, we can't always do as we please.
But no one works on Midsummer holiday.
Oh, no? Look around. Many people are working at this very moment.
All right, but working is a bad and useless thing.
So, Tip, are you excited about going to the circus lesson?
Very, very excited. I want to learn how to do super fast somersaults. And Jody, Henry, Billy, and Tessa will be there.
Here we are, Tip. Are you ready?
Super ready.
All right, little mouse. I'm going to say hello to your teacher, Jumper, and then I'll leave you to your lesson. I'll be back to pick you up in 1 hour, okay?
But, Mommy, can't you stay?
Oh, Tip, what are you worried about? Look, all your friends from kindergarten are here, and Jumper.
I know, but now I don't want to stay here anymore.
Why not? Before, you were all happy about learning somersaults. What happened?
I don't want you to leave. That's all. No and no.
You'll see, Tip. You're going to have fun.
I don't want Mommy to leave, Teddy. How can I make her stay? I know.
Tip, please don't make so much noise when you chew.
Why can't I make a noise?
Because it's not polite.
Achoo!
Tip, cover your mouth.
Hello? Hi, Grandma. Did you know that Mommy is taking us to the park today?
Tip, we don't talk with our mouth full. It's not polite.
I have had enough. Enough, I say, of all this not polite.
You have a nice day, too.
Good manners, lesson number 1. How to drink tea. Wait, I shall help you. Oh! Good manners, lesson number 2. Remain composed, even in difficult situations.
Get me out of here right now!
I believe that we still need to work on this point.
Since you are going to have your first tennis lesson, I want to show you something.
What?
Do you know who that is?
That's Grandma.
That's right. When she was young, she was a good tennis player. You know she won quite a few tournaments?
Wow, I want to play as well as she did.
Well then, you're gonna have to practice quite a bit.
Look at me! I'm going to start right away.
Here's one for you, Betty.
Thank you, Jumper.
And one for Billy.
Thanks.
Oh no, this one has a broken string. Why didn't I notice that before? Offie, Tip, I am sorry, but there's only one racket left and... Don't! Wait, I'll get it. Whoops.
But that's not fair. The last one was for me. Why? I was ahead of you in line.